Welcome back to another video, guys.
Hey guys.
We're currently heading out of Tokyo. It's our last day here.
Well, technically, we'll be back just to catch our flight, but
we're about to be on our way to Osaka right now. And we're gonna travel by bullet train.
Yeah, they look super cool. Look at
Guys, I'm hungry.
I know.
We gotta get some food as soon as we land. As soon as we touch down over there.
It's gonna take 2 hours for us to get there though.
We only got chips, but it is what it is. Alright guys, we touched down in Osaka.
Yes.
We're currently looking for something to eat.
There's this place here that looks pretty good. This place is definitely different. Mira, ahí también hay como un callejón de comidas. Guys, we put our bags in storage.
Yeah, we had to wait. We had so much luggage we had to bring here.
Look at this.
Good thing they had some lockers at the station and we left them in there. Show them the fit.
Oh yeah, guys. This is the fit of the day. Something comfortable. New Balances, pink shirt. You know, nothing crazy.
We were on the train for what, like almost 3 hours?
Yeah,
3?
like almost 3 hours. No, yeah, actually, technically like 4 hours, because it was 2 hours and 30 minutes for the bullet train, an hour to get to the bullet train, and an hour or 40 minutes back to the place we're staying.
So almost 4 hours, guys.
Yeah. It's already 2 p.m. Baby hasn't had no breakfast. So he's
about to pass out.
let me show you guys my baby's outfit.
Joggers, Adidas.
Shirt that I picked out for him this morning. Okay, we'll get back to you guys later, but this is the view for now. Ora. Wow. Super cute.
Hey, we right there.
You see us?
Yeah.
Those are dumplings, should we try those?
Guys, we just finished eating okonomiyaki. It was like some noodles and eggs with pork, shrimp,
It was super good.
squid. And we want a sweet treat afterwards, so right now we're getting a little drink.
Yeah, it's a mango drink. Hopefully she has change because I want to have a... Oh no,
I'm on the hunt for some ice cream. I really want some ice cream.
yeah.
They got some here, but I kind of want it in a bigger size or something different.
I know. Is that gonna kind of happy? Oh, look at the fresas. Show them the fruit. Should we try them?
How is it, babe?
Guys, I got me a mango like drink. I didn't know it was gonna be blended.
It's fire.
We're gonna try it. It's so good, baby.
It's like a mango smoothie, right?
Yeah.
It's really good.
Super,
It tastes super fresh.
Yeah. It really does.
This is what I meant when I
Oh my god. That is insane. Baby, what kind of ice cream did you get? Matcha?
Well, they didn't really let me choose. They didn't
Oh.
have no option, but it's a waffle ice cream. That's what I got.
Okay, try it.
No spoon?
A
No
fork.
way. It's crazy, bro. It's good. It has like whipped cream inside.
Whipped cream ice inside?
Yeah, inside the waffle.
Oh, okay.
It's all whipped cream.
Very
And then it has,
nice.
like 4 scoops of ice cream.
Very cute. And guys, this is our view. It's just like the water area. It's really pretty out. So we're gonna chill here while my baby finishes his food.
Guys, we made it to Airbnb. It's so nice. I think me and B gonna take a quick nap though, cause we're tired. And then in about an hour, we're about to go out and explore. This is one of the bedrooms. And then Cassie's already taking a nap and she's getting ready for bed. The other one.
Hey, vlog.
We'll catch you guys in a bit. We're about to take a quick nap.